Do you want to become a pro racer, or do you want to see this mobile printer? Watch the video till the end to see all the gadgets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Let's get started. If you're a budding photographer or vlogger and use your iPhone, this Vlogger Kit iOS edition has everything you need. It includes a video mic MIL microphone that connects directly to your phone. The tripod too is compatible with handheld, static, or tabletop use, providing different ways to hold it. The micro LED provides lighting to help you perfect your shots. This kit is amazing. Do you want a perfect gamepad for your phone? Try the Razer Mobile Gamepad. The gamepad is a must-have for mobile gamers. USB-C connection ports remain hidden so you won't get them full of grime and gunk from your hands in the outside world. You'll get no input lag. Try it today for only $79.99. Now, we got some cool wireless headsets. You can use the headset on your PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. With 15 hours of battery time, you'll have enough time for a nice experience. Also, the padding provides long-lasting comfort during wear. While you're playing games, you'll be able to hear everything that's around you, including what you can't see. This is all thanks to the frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The built-in microphone allows you to talk to friends while playing. Plus, the flip-to-mute microphone allows you to easily choose if you want to be heard or not. That is cool. Feel all the beats with the SUBPAC S2 tactile bass system. This wearable gadget increases your dynamic range and lets you feel the music you create. From professionals to amateurs, everyone who loves music will love this wearable bass system. Keep it on your studio chair or bring it out on the town to feel every note on the go. When you need to get outdoors and let nature enhance your creativity, bring the SUBPAC S2 with you to fully immerse yourself in the process. Thanks to its battery life of more than 6 hours, this useful gadget can handle the long haul. Now let's switch again to the filmmaking niche. With this drone, you can take your skill to the next level. With a 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second video and burst mode stills at 14 frames per second. In effect, it has as powerful as many traditional ground cameras. More powerful video processing supports high 264 4K videos at 60 frames per second or H.265 4K at 30 frames per second, both with a 100 megabyte per second bitrate. Advanced sensors and processors ensure everything is captured with more image detail and the image data needed for advanced post-production. If you want to buy this drone, check the link in the description. Designed with an efficient filtration system, the new vacuum from DreameTech provides a whopping 3,000 pascals of strong suction power. It even provides a pressure boost on carpets to pick up everything. What's more, it can filter down to the 0.3 micron level and has an air duct with fluid mechanics. Made with advanced mapping features including LDS laser navigation, this robot mop also boasts the SLAM intelligent algorithm. With instant dynamic mapping, it offers efficient route mapping and an advanced mapping setting cleaning sequence. You will get a 150-minute runtime. This is amazing. This slide phone can fold into 3 different screen sizes. This concept developed from the idea of owning a phone with a large screen that can become difficult to hold. The slide phone unfolds vertically for convenience and a unique design. The first fold reveals the clock and your notifications. One further segment displays the selfie mode. Finally, the third unfolding presents a widescreen display that's suitable for scrolling the internet, playing games, watching videos, and more. The side buttons are usable and visible. It offers 5 different futuristic models for you to build, each of which has an iconic printed circuit board design and electrical components. With these kits, you'll learn things like how to solder and gain electrical engineering skills. What's more, they also teach you how microchips, resistors, and LEDs work. In fact, these kits work just as great for beginners as they do for electrical engineers. You can learn new skills for a cheap price. Now we will move to an insane vlog camera. This camera is so small that you can even put it in your pocket. You can easily record in 4K at the best quality. You can even record hands-free with one click. You can take pictures at 20 megapixels. Furthermore, it boasts a 124-degree field of view, so you can take in everything around you. Whether you want to record a time-lapse or take a slow-motion video, you can do it with this smart 4K vlog camera. Pretty crazy what a small camera can do today. Do you need a multi-tool in your home? Check this multi-tool has almost endless abilities. You can use it to slash boxes, pop open bottles, turn hexes, and more. Yet somehow, it measures fewer than 2 inches long. Made of grade 5 titanium, this tiny multi-tool includes a flint striker so you can start up a fire on camping trips, and its bottle opener ensures you can always crack open a cold one when needed. Moreover, the Claw 2.0 includes a box cutter and a chiseled blade end so you can open packages and sharpen knives with ease. Measuring just 1.5 inches long, it has a keychain attachment that lets you keep it with you at all times. Use the Colop eMark mobile printer to conveniently print barcodes, stamps, logos, text, and images onto various materials including paper, cloth, cardboard, and more. In fact, you can apply prints to all absorbent level surfaces as well as ribbons, wristbands, and label sheets. This useful gadget works like a stamp to print images onto a material up to 5.9 inches in width. Plus, you can use your own images and text in the eMark app to transfer to any material. Therefore, you can add a barcode to packaging, a name to an invite, or a logo to a piece of fabric. Furthermore, the eMark mobile printer allows you to print your logos, images, and text in multiple colors. And if you require any assistance, the ready-to-use imprint templates provide a helpful guide. Do you want to race? We got you. Aston Martin and Curv AMR CO1 Racing Simulator was created to replicate the feeling of driving an Aston Martin. In fact, this gamer's gadget features the same treatment as an Aston Martin production car. There's an Aston-style grille on the front. It even features hydraulics to replicate the movements of a real car. The Aston Martin and Curv AMR CO1 is great for those who love racing games. It features an incredible immersion that invites you into a world of racing in the comfort of your own home. Also, the high-quality Samsung LED screen absorbs you into the gaming world with bright colors and contrasts. Finally, it's available in a range of colors, including black, red, blue, and more. Let's race together. This was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.